Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheet tutorial how to freeze row. To freeze row, you can go to view menu and then click on freeze, and there are three options. You can set one row, second row, two rows, or you can up two row. I will set into one row, so it will be set freeze from the one row, and it can change again into two rows. It's just two rows, and if you want to change like into five, you can click in here 5, select, and then you can click view, freeze, and then click on up to 5. I will set again like into 10. You can click view, freeze, and then click up to 10. If you want to set into default, you can go to view, click freeze, and then you can click no rows. Okay, that's it for a basic Google Sheet tutorial how to freeze row. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.